I'll give you guys a good indicator right now. You want to see the scalping strategy? All right, I'll teach you the scalping strategy. So this is a strategy you guys can use for your scalping. This is how I scalp. So when I'm scalping, I do two things. And it's probably going to be an 8-to-1 trade right here. It's still going up, but whatever. When I'm scalping, you need to understand two things. What's your risk to reward, which we went over earlier. You know your risk to reward is 3-to-1 to 5-to-1. When you scalp, you want to go for the small. So I always go 3-to-1s for scalps. I'm like, all right, I'm going to win 3 and then lose 1. So take my 3-to-1 simulator, take my $100 account. And now you guys should be at like a 60% accuracy with the trading. It's based off the stuff that you're learning in this video and the stuff you're going to learn. So you'll be at 60% accuracy. You take your, let's say per week, let's say you're scalping now, so you're getting like 5 to 10 trades in a day. Like 10 is really pro. Like I can get in 10 to 15 trades a day and stuff. And I had the night where I did 100 trades at night. You can catch all those trades, but let's say you're going for 10 trades a night. No, let's say you're going for 5 trades a night for a week. So you got like 25 trades a week. If you're trading weekends with crypto, I'll put like 35 because you can catch crypto trades. So you're getting 35 trades a week scalping. And you're risking the same. You're risking 1%. And you guys can risk up to 3%. Like I'll show you with 3%. But this is how your equity curve will look, guys. Your $100 account goes to 155 here, so you're up 55% for the week, up 40%, up 160%, up 70%, and all your equity curves are gonna always be up. So, and then if you go 3% risk, now that $100 turns to $500 in this 1 week, so you're up 500% for the week. That's how in those videos I show you guys, like I get crazy returns, crazy numbers, because I understand exactly how much I can risk with keeping the account going. But let's keep doing it. They're all up. So you just make hundreds of dollars from a small account. All right, so now you understand that for scalping. I'm going to teach you guys one of the ways I scalp, one of my setups, and then the rest of the setups you guys can catch inside the course. So get my chart. What is this, BNB coin? I don't really like BNB because it's a lot of sideways action. I'll go XRP. So I look at the XRP chart on zoomed out, just like this, and I'll be like, okay. I see the price is falling down. I'm like, okay, it's falling. It's falling. It's not letting me draw it, but I see the price falling down, falling down, falling down. Went down again, fell down again. Tried to fall. Boom. So this would be one strategy I would take right here. So fall, fall, fall. So I know the price is continually falling, finding new bottoms. And then right here, from this to that, and I'll take a brush. It's called the head and shoulders. See a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. This is in the chart patterns. So I'll see a head and shoulders pattern. It's upside down. I guess this would be the head. And this would be the person's shoulder. I don't know why they call it head and shoulder, but that'd be the person's shoulder or whatever. So shoulders and heads. Now I'll come zoom in. So now I want to do a replay for you guys, but just pretend I did a replay and all we can see is here. We see this. We see the price doing that, going up, going down. And now I'm like, all right, I see it falling here. I'm like, oh, the price is falling. First, once I see this price falling, I will take this trade right here. This is my first trade. I'll catch a short here. I'll catch my 3-to-1. They give me more anyway, but catch that 3-to-1 going down. Right, and then when we get down, I see the price reject this, and then the shoulder forms. Now I take my next trade, and this happens all day. I'll show you guys more of them. Rejection here. My stop loss will be here. My 3-to-1. Will be right here. So that'll be one trade. Next trade, 2 trades. 3-to-1, and then I see the price come up. It's going up. I see it reject this high price. I'm like, okay, it rejected the high price. It rejected that price right here. So now I want to take 3-to-1 going down. From there. So. And it hit in 10 minutes. It hit in 10 minutes, fell down again, wick back up. Then I'm like, all right, it's trying to come up. And now it's sideways action. I'll be patient. When you see sideways action, be patient. This in market cycles, I teach this more. But this is how I'm able to trade the charts all day, no matter what time frame, what chart. I'll be like, all right, I call that a trading range. I'm like, all right. All these up, down, that's like a trading range for me. Then right here, it breaks below the trading range. It breaks below, and then it starts that pattern that we just talked about. Where's my brush? It starts this pattern right here. Breaks below, and then it goes 1 push, 2 push, 3 push. Like, can you guys see that? Let me zoom in more. All right. So we break out of the trading range right here. I'll see trading range right here. I'll hit my trade right here. So that's 3 trades hit, a close. Now I'm like, all right, the price is just going like these small moves. I can catch trades in these moves. To catch a trade in these, I'll have to use a shorter stop loss. So I'll show you guys what that looks like too. But I teach you guys how to trade trading ranges in the course. But to catch a trading range, you see the price come up here, reject there again, outside the trading range box, and 3-to-1 would be right here. So that's it. Move that over because that trade ended over there. This trade right here. So I'll be like, oh, it's in the trading range. And this is how I get a lot of trades too when I'm scalping all day. And then I'm gonna do it on a live chart too, so you guys can see. But all right, so you see the 3-to-1s going up, going down. I'm gonna move that. Holy shit. So catch that 3-to-1. In order to take this 3-to-1, since my risk is smaller on this because it's a little box, I can bet more money now because I have less ticks as my stop loss. So I can put in a decent sized bet. I can risk 1 lot size, 10 lot sizes, whatever. And I know I'm still risking 1% of my account to 3% of my account. And in that trade, I can make, how much ticks is this? This is what, 109. So if I'm going 10 lot size, I've made $1,000 in this little move. This move right here, it's given 750 on the loss, 1800. It's like 17K move right there with a 10 lot size. So there's so much money in trading. There's a lot of money in trading. There's ways to grow. any size account. It's just understanding how to trade. So then, yeah. So go back to the move right here. It breaks below, and then we see the chart pattern. So 1 push, 2 push, 3 push, and then we see it right here, and that's a 3rd push down there. Then I'll come through. I'm like, oh, 3rd push. Catch my next trade. Stop loss 3 to 1. It almost hits perfectly too, which is crazy. It hits the 3 to 1, and I would have took my profit. People who didn't take their profit, it comes all the way down, takes them out. Some people get greedy, whatever they want to do, and they'll get taken out and they'll lose their money. So now it hits the next trade 3 to 1, and that's how I scalp all day, no matter where I'm at. Right here is I'll put the trading range box on right now. It makes me want to trade right now, just even seeing the market. Every time I see the market, I just want to trade. So I'm like, all right, it's a trading range box for me. So when it comes down here, I can take a trade back up. So probably gonna see rejection and then shoot up, and I'll take a buy right here. Actually, I like that area now, but yeah, this is pretty much how I trade, how I scalp, and you can see you can take a lot of scalps. So if you want to know more about scalping, how to master the 5-minute chart, that has a lot. And then market cycles and chart patterns are very important to know too. Trading indicator, I'm gonna give you guys a free indicator right now that I love.